Private VLANs, PVLANs, are an advanced networking feature that allow network administrators to divide a single broadcast domain into multiple subdomains within a Layer 2 network. They are used to divide a network into multiple isolated broadcast domains, where each domain is only accessible to specific users or devices. PVLANs provide a more secure environment than traditional LANs by creating multiple virtual LANs, VLANs, within a single physical LAN. This allows for more granular control over traffic and increases the overall security of the network. PVLANs also help to reduce congestion, as traffic is compartmentalized and sent only to the devices that need it. PVLANs can be used in a variety of scenarios, such as creating isolated networks for specific departments or user groups, or to create isolated networks for secure applications and services. Private VLANs also offer an additional layer of security, as they restrict communication between VLANs and prevent unauthorized access. When setting up a PVLAN, network administrators must first create the VLANs that will be used and assign them to the specific user groups or departments. Each VLAN should have its own IP address range and can have different security settings applied. Once the VLANs are created, network administrators can then configure the network ports to send traffic to the appropriate VLANs. Private VLANs can be a useful tool for network administrators looking to increase security and performance on their networks. By creating isolated VLANs, network administrators can ensure that traffic is only sent to the devices that need it, reducing the risk of data breaches. Additionally, by creating multiple VLANs, administrators can ensure that traffic is properly compartmentalized, reducing the risk of congestion.